Hey everyone, and welcome to today's video. In this guide, we're looking at mixer taps, the kind with a single lever in the middle, and specifically how to fix a leak coming from underneath the handle. If you've noticed water constantly dripping or seeping out from around the lever and running down the spout, it's likely an issue with the cartridge inside the tap. Let's take a look at exactly what's going on and how you can fix it yourself. Here's a typical basin mixer tap. As you can see, water is leaking from just underneath the lever, right where it pivots. It's a common issue, and luckily, it's usually fixable with a little time and the right tools. Step 1. Removing the handle. First up, removing the handle. There's always a way to get the top off, and in this case, it's this small cap right here. You'll usually find a small disc or dot either on top, the side, or underneath the lever. Gently pry it out using a small flathead screwdriver or something similar. Behind that cap, you'll find a small screw, typically an Allen hex screw. For this tap, a 2.5mm Allen key fits perfectly. If the screw feels stuck or hard to turn, spray a little WD-40 into the hole and give it 5 minutes to work its magic. After that, it should turn easily. Once the screw is loose, lift the handle off. That exposes the inner workings of the tap. Step 2. Removing the shroud and cartridge. Next, remove the decorative shroud or cap that sits over the cartridge. This usually just unscrews by hand. If it's tight, use a wrench or grips. Wrap the metal in a cloth first to avoid scratching it. Now you'll see the cartridge retaining nut. Unscrew this using an adjustable wrench or grips. Again, be careful with the finish. With the nut removed, you can pull out the cartridge itself. This is the component that controls the flow and temperature of the water. Step 3. Checking and replacing the cartridge. Check the washer or seal under the cartridge. Sometimes this is what fails and causes the leak. However, most of the time, the cartridge itself is the issue. Unfortunately, these cartridges aren't usually repairable, so you'll likely need to replace it. Make a note of the model of your tap and ideally take the cartridge to a plumbing supplier or search online for a matching replacement. When installing the new cartridge, make sure the lugs or alignment tabs on the bottom of the cartridge line up with the slots in the tap body. It should sit flush and firmly in place. Step 4. Reassembly. 1. Fit the cartridge back into place, making sure it's properly seated. 2. Screw on the retaining nut, giving it a firm but not over-tightened turn. 3. Replace the shroud and screw it down. 4. Refit the handle onto the spline, align it properly, and tighten the Allen screw. 5. Pop the cover cap back into place. Once everything is back together, turn the water supply back on and test the tap. And that's it, job done. You've just fixed a leaking mixer tap by replacing the cartridge. It's a great DIY repair that can save you money and prevent water damage. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment if you've got questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more home repair how-tos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.